What's up, guys? Just another day in the motherfucking kitchen. Back with another episode. Gonna give you guys a sneak peek right there. You already know it's gonna be some heat. This package is special. We got the West Coast Connection year supply. Gonna drop his name in the video right there so you guys can see. Don't worry, we got some guys. But yeah, this episode's gonna be fire. We got the West Coast Connection all the way from Los Angeles to Orlando. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so let's dive into this. But before we do, we're gonna go ahead and check out this box. Now, as you guys can see, this is probably the nicest shoe box that I've seen yet. And again, this is for the Air Jordan 1 Los Angeles Union. Might be mispronouncing it, but it's just all respect to MJ the GOAT over here. But yeah, if you guys aren't following us already, make sure you guys give us a follow on Instagram and Twitter at We Don't Cook Food. Check these out. The red Jumpman. Is Jumpman jumping over Yeezy? You tell us in the comments. What's up? Just to give you guys a better look over here. But here we go. Here is some special wrapping for the actual sneakers. I'll go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see. Now again, these are the Union Los Angeles. They came in two colorways. You guys are about to see what they are. I mean, I'm sure you guys could tell from the title of the video, but without further ado, let me get a drum roll in here. Let's see, here they are. Oh, I'm struggling, bam. Here we go. Alright guys, first look. This is the Storm Blue colorway, one of two. Before we even take these out of the box, you guys can see these are fire. They might burn through the box. I gotta be careful. Go ahead and look at this detail right here. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna pan over this so you guys can see. But like I always say in every video, do not hesitate to use these videos as a legit check, because you know all of our stuff is legit. So yeah, without further ado, this is the West Coast Connection. Let's get it popping. Alright guys, but there you have it, just a quick review of these. Let us know what you guys think, all the way from LA to Orlando. If anything, I think we need our own collab soon. Let us know what's up. Drop a like, a comment. Are these your shoe of the year? Would you give them to your worst enemy? Let us know. Thanks for cooking with us. You already know what's coming up next.